welcome to the channel and happy Friday. I hope everyone is doing great. I'm gonna make something for my breakfast today. So here are the ingredients. Our famous bitter melon. I know this is one of our favorite vegetables in the Philippines. So since I want to what do you call that? Para less ang bitterness, I'm gonna let it sit with salt for like 5 minutes. And here are the combination of onion, garlic, and ginger. And I'm gonna use 2 eggs. So I'll get back with you guys later. I hope everybody's doing great and salamat sa pagtanaw. Thank you for watching. I should see that. Dili ni nato i-edit. Pepper. And a little salt. Okay, so I'm gonna wait more minutes before nako siyang take out from that salt. So it's not fresh, but it works.
So I'll just saute all the ginger, onion, and garlic together. And put our bitter melon. That's enough, so I'm gonna sprinkle an oil and drop my egg. It's such a beautiful color, guys, right? Green and yellow, so pretty. let's wait until it's ready to be flipped. I'm gonna sprinkle salt. I add a little salt in my egg, but since I drained the salt from the ampalaya or bittermelon, so I'm gonna add more salt. And since I love pepper, this is optional, I'm gonna sprinkle more as well. And just wait until it's ready. I'm gonna spread my bittermelon here. Sure if it's ready, but we'll just peel it. Peel all the way. And flip. Buhag siya guys. It didn't work, guys. It was really my first attempt to make bittermelon omelette, pero I don't know, maybe the bittermelon was too heavy, or it should be 3 eggs or 4 eggs para strong ang foundation ng egg. So when I flip, wala naglabasan ang mga bittermelon. So ang labas is ginisang ampalaya. It's okay. I'll try that because I've seen that recipe, omelette bittermelon. So I really want to try it, pero first attempt is failed.
Ito ang resulta ng ating ginisang ampalaya. And as I mentioned before, I really like my eggs to be golden, like ano siya, close to being sunog. Not sunog, but in that level. So, yun, ang sarap guys, diba? Ito ang aking breakfast for today. And out of one, I had one bitter melon. So, this is everything I made. So, I still have leftover. Actually, ito ang aking plate, guys. So, I just added, what do you call this? Bulad. So, and this is the first time I'm gonna eat this Korean dried fish. I don't know how it tastes, but it looks good. Yun ang aking final plate. It's bitter, salty, and starchy. So, thank you for watching and happy breakfast to everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.